So first up, we have our lime scale removal mixture. Now that includes vinegar and rubbing alcohol, also known as IPA or isopropanol. And I believe surgical spirits will do the same thing. And in whatever mixture you're mixing up, whatever size mixture, the mixture needs to be 20% vinegar and 5 to 10% IPA. I'm going with 5, but 5 to 10% IPA. And it doesn't really matter if it's 70% or 90% IPA, it's just to have that little bit of solvent in the mix to break through the soap scum. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this up. So 100 mils of vinegar, 50 mils, if I can find 50 mils. Let's just go for half of this. About 50 mils of our rubbing alcohol. So that's going to bring us to about there. It's a little bit over 50 mils, doesn't really matter. And to that, I'm going to add a tiny bit of dish soap, like 2 mils, just to help everything bind. So my fill line is just here. That's 500 mils in total of the solution, so I fill the rest up with water. Hopefully you can see this as well as I can see it, but this screen is really, really bad. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off pre-spraying my taps down here to get the vinegar working away and breaking down the lime scale in those. And then I'm going to spray this. I'm going to try 2 methods, one with a magic sponge and 2 with a brush, and I'm going to literally split the screen down the middle. You can see how bad it is and see which method works best. Okie dokie, so I'm going to split straight down. I can already feel a little bit of resistance there with the soap scum, so I'm going to split straight down this side, and I'm going to brush here. Pretty much cutting through it straight away. And this side I'm going to do with my magic sponge, which actually feels like it's working much better. So I'm recommending that you use a magic sponge on this, but I think both are going to work. Some water spots on the outside, but we'll worry about those later. And now I'm going to rinse it off. So that's completely clean. You can see the difference. I have got some water spots on the outside. I'm going to put my mixture onto a microfiber cloth and just wipe over the outside to get rid of this. Now I'm onto the taps. So I'm going to respray the taps. So the taps, as you can see, took me about 45 seconds to do, and they look pretty amazing for about 45 seconds work and a quick rub over with my magic sponge. I'm now going to go and mix up my toilet cleaning mixture and my bathtub cleaning mixture.